Alright everybody, this is Jeremy with USA Sports Breakers, and this is the random for the double box break of 2016 Bowman's Best Baseball. A lot of good stuff. I think it's 8 autographs and 2 atomic refractors per box, so a lot of hits to be had. We'll randomize 5 times, and then we'll put this in the Excel spreadsheet. Again, there's 28 spots. The Diamondbacks and the Reds and the Royals and the Orioles were combined into 2 double team spots. And 2 times. 3 times. 4 times. And our 5th time. Okay. 5 times. So we'll cut and paste. Oop. Trey got like the last up teams. Alright. Yes. Alright. Trey with the Diamondbacks and Reds, Trey with the Braves, Eden with the Orioles, Royals, Alexander with the Red Sox, CW with the Cubs, Peter with the White Sox, CW with the Indians, Jesus with the Rockies and the Tigers and the Astros, Trey with the Angels, Giuseppe with the Dodgers, Brian with the Marlins, Trey with the Brewers, Trey with the Twins, Giuseppe with the Mets, Eden with the Yankees, Trey with the A's, Jesus with the Phillies, Francisco with the Pirates and the Padres, Trey with the Giants, Mariners, Joe with the Cardinals, and Trey with the Nationals, Blue Jays, Rangers, and Rays. Alrighty, I'll have this up in just a moment.